am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king. I am the king, 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 king.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video again. I'm so excited. I've been filming so much. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, watch my video. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. I don't have an idea of where it's gonna lead me to. I was at work and I picked up some of these. I wanted to see if I can incorporate it in a look. And I haven't drawn anything out. I know for sure that I want to do something with newspapers and something that is UV. Because I have these little colors right here. I have the SUVA Beauty, what is this? Fanny pack. So it's a Hydra liner and it glows in the dark. It's super cool. I've used it in the past and I loved it. This was the first UV makeup that I have ever picked up. So I was just really fascinated by it. I even bought black lights or blue lights. I think it was like black lights. I bought black lights and everything just for that little liner. So I was like going crazy. I've never seen that before. And then I picked up these. This is a special effects palette by who? I don't know. I think I bought this on Amazon. It's like a little UV palette. So it has all of these colors and they all glow in the dark. And I even got my nails done today. I'm definitely going to be using liquid latex. I have it laid out here. Maybe glue. I don't know. But it's going to be very exciting. It's going to be like a school project on my face. So that's nice. Also, you guys, let me know what you guys want to see next. You guys don't give me any feedback. I need feedback. Before I start my makeup, I actually looked inside of my little mood paper binder thing. I'm gonna show you guys just a quick overview of it. It's a little binder, and then what I do is, oh my goodness, it's just things falling out of here. So these are all of my business cards and little squares of images that I see online on Pinterest, on Google. And then I just kind of sort them all together with looks that I want to do. For example, this is the succulent, oh my god, I suck at talking. Succulent plants. So I was thinking of maybe in the future do like a look with that. So I put like a whole bunch of looks together of line work and just green makeup and succulents. This is optical illusion makeup. So as you can see, it's like a whole bunch of optical illusion images. I have festival makeup, I have black and white makeup. So yeah, these are face charts. So yeah, that's basically what I do whenever something pops into my head. I don't just write it down because I'm a very visual person. So I like to look at what I'm thinking, and yeah, so I just put those images together and I just start creating like little, collages, I guess. And I print them out and then put them in there. And whenever I have no clue what I want to do, I just go into the binder and forming ideas and things like that. So, yes. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by mapping out my face. I don't have a white pencil thing. What is this, a crayon, whatever? Yeah, I think it's a crayon. I don't have a white crayon right now. I don't know where my white crayon went, but I'm just gonna be using the yellow one because it's the closest thing to white. And I'm just gonna start drawing lines, I guess. I'm gonna start off with the newspaper. What was I gonna say, man? What's that word? I am going to be starting with the newspaper because I feel like it's easier to work with texture first and then move on with color. Maybe here. These are just references. This can always change. It's always good to have at the beginning before you start, just to have an idea where to put it. Andrew, can you wear your headphones, please? I'm gonna show you guys what I have laid out here. I cut out these little squares. Those are basically going to be for the outside to create that straight square. And then for the inside, I didn't want to make it so perfect. So what I did, I just ripped up a whole bunch of little pieces of newspapers to just glue it and fill it out. And the liquid latex that I'm using is this I bought it at Spirit Halloween. It's this one right here. I think it dries yellow, so I'm kind of skeptical about that. By the way, you guys, liquid latex smells like horse. I'm gonna apply a little bit of liquid latex on my face and then just glue the little newspapers on it and then go over it. Mit dem Grund, warum habe ich das getan? Mann, ich lieg jetzt im Bett und ich dreh mich nach links, sie ist weg und ich komm nicht mehr klar. Den Revolver am Kopf und ich spür schon die Kälte. Ich bin nicht mehr der Mann, die Beziehung ist vorbei, Baby, komm bitte, sag's und ich drück. I'm using the SUVA Beauty Fanny Pack, and what I'm gonna do is just outline the newspapers. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Okay, so that's that. Okay, now I'm taking this little tiny detail brush and just create lines, I guess. I need coffee. So with these colors, with this palette, they're not as vibrant as the SUVA Beauty one. As you guys can see, they're very subtle. It's not that noticeable in comparison with this color that is just, you know, popping. But under the UV light, they're gonna look really nice. But right now, the regular lights, it doesn't look as vibrant and as pretty as the SUVA Beauty one. I went ahead and did my eyebrows already, and I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using is this one. It's the first time I ever use it. It's the Element of Surprise by ColourPop. It's a little tiny palette, and I got it in my BOXY charm. So that was my first box ever. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna be using these two brushes that also came in my BOXY charm. First shade that I'm going to be using is this one right here, the tiny, oh my god, my pot is this one right here. I'm gonna use it as a transition color. Am I recording? Yeah, this is one eye done. Next color I'm going to be using is this one right here, the top one. Next, I'm going to be using this color right here on the bottom. I'm going to go with this one. It's like a purple, shimmery, blue. I don't know what color that is, but it has blue in it, it has purple, it has white, it has specks of purple glitter, it has everything. I'm going to be picking up this color and I'm going to put it on top of the color that I just put on. Because why not? YOLO. Okay guys, so what I did, I went ahead and did a little cut crease with the palette that I showed you guys from BOXY Charm. Now what I'm going to be doing is grabbing fanny pack again and outlining the crease. What I'm going to do is a couple of splashes in here because I feel like this is going to look very plain. So the way that I achieve my splash, I usually grab a toothbrush like this, and then I wet it with the water, and then I'm just digging in there with the brush. The way that I do the splashes is just like this, like I get my thumb and I just swipe through it really hard, like this. I'm gonna do the same thing on this one with the orange color. I'm gonna do a line in the middle of my nose, so I'm just gonna do it. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment, you subscribe, you like this video, and stay posted for future videos. Also, all of my social medias are down below, so make sure you click on those and follow me over there as well. Bye!
I am the king. Come on that I am the king and will not be. I am the king and will not be the king and will not. I am the king and will not be the king and will not.